This is the stormwater drain which will be connecting Muttanalluru Lake with Singenagrara Lake. Till few days, this was completely silted, and this was completely encroached by the nearby farmers, and they planted eucalyptus trees upon this stormwater drain. In my earlier videos, in my earlier updates, you might have seen how we were working on this complete stormwater drain, are called as Rajakaluvaes in the local language. We tried to clear this drain. Now this drain will be connecting two major lakes in the lake ecosystem of Bangalore. And further, the very stormwater drain will send water up to Krishnagiri Dam in TN, Tamil Nadu. Now you can see how we do stormwater drains, how stormwater drains needs to be, how this stormwater drain needs to be designed and maintained. Here you can see a picture how we have restored the stormwater drains. Restoration is one part. Before we go to the restoration, first we need to carry out encroachment eviction. Before we get into encroachment eviction, the first step is to find out details or the map data about the stormwater drains. We take data from 1923 maps which have been given by Britishers to Government of India. Today same maps have been used to find out our stormwater drains, to mark to their original design as captured by the Britishers in 1900s. We have used the very data to recreate the stormwater drains which have been reconfirmed in 1958 Government of India surveys to show the original design and existence of these stormwater drains. Till few days, the stormwater drains are completely been encroached, and we are not even been able to even to see where the stormwater drains were. Bangalore District Administration, led by J. Manjunath, Deputy Commissioner, and Tahsildar Dinesh P. of Anekal Taluk, and Sivanna, Assistant Commissioner, Bangalore South Division, rendered their complete support, and Assistant Director, Land Records, Anekal Taluk, Narsimurthy, and the present Prakash, and the surveyor team, Kantraju, Umesh, Chari, and all these people given their service in getting the stormwater drains in place. Friends, today you can see how we have worked, and we pushed ourselves to get the stormwater drains cleared. That's all the efforts we have started off with. Now this stormwater drain is part of the KC Valley, where we will be taking water from the Singenagrara Lake, what we have recreated and restored recently. That's why I always say people need to first need to know and understand about the ecosystem of the stormwater drains. Once your stormwater drains are in place, once your stormwater drains are in working condition, then your lakes will be active and your lakes will be flourishing. To kill any lake, first you need to block or to encroach upon a stormwater drain. Once the water supply to the lake stops, automatically lake will start getting into active mode. What we say, lake will get dried up. After that, encroachment will start coming on that lake. Now this where these people have created the diversion in the first. They diverted water into a small drain, which we call it as sluice gate drain. Today we have recreated this Rajakaluvaes. We will be doing more of finishing soon. Once the finishing or further deepening of drain happens, then this drain will be connected with the main drain, which is connecting Singenagrara or Narayanaghata Lake. Now I'll show you how this drain gets connected. This how this lake gets connected with the Singenagrara lake. Further area where we will be checking out with the Singenagrara lake. Now I'll show you how this stormwater drain is connected with our Singenagrara lake. Few days back we have recreated this drain. Few months back we have recreated drain, to be very precise. Today you can see the condition of these drains carrying water. These very drains get connected with the main stormwater drain to be connecting Bangalore lake. When we started our work with stormwater drains, this complete area was accessible. We were not even able to come inside this stormwater drain area. Today you can see how flourishingly the stormwater drain is active now. I'll show you the main source of the stormwater drain now. These lakes and stormwater drains, they got their own bonding. They will not be able to survive without contributing to each other. This complete area was enclosed once. It's part of the lake area. Today it is completely clear of all encroachment, whatever it used to be. The area in front of us is the stormwater drain area, the stormwater drain receiving area. As well, this area used to be an enclosed place. It was enclosed by the eucalyptus plantation. Now it is clear of all encroachment. This is where this stormwater drain gets its water from. The Singenagrara lake, all Narayanaghatta lake. Narayanaghatta lake. Now you can see the complete area. Singenagrara Narayanaghatta lake now. It's a lake part. Lots of us wanted to know more about this lake. Today you can see